Good afternoon, my dear students. So here is an activity for you, and I will present you how to do that activity. Watch the video carefully, and you will do that activity by 14th of August 2021. Okay, now we will see how to do this activity. This activity is for singing and uploading Rashtragan under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, that is AKAM. And this is for the occasion of 75th anniversary of India's independence. All of you know that our country India got independence from British rule in 1947 August 15, and from that day we are celebrating our Independence Day every year on 15th of August. So this year we have reached on 75th anniversary of our Independence Day. So this activity is for that purpose. Okay. So for this activity, you have to go to a website that is rashtragan.in. I will send the link. I will keep the link of the website in the description. Otherwise, you can also go to any browser of your mobile or laptop and you can type rashtragan.in. Otherwise, you can also go to the description. I will send the link. You can click on the link and directly can go to the website. Okay, so participants, all students, teachers, parents, and other family members can participate in this activity. This is activities for all the students, teachers, and parents, and all the family members can participate. And the last date for this activity is 14th of August this year. So you have to complete the activity by 14th of August. Okay, so activity is singing and uploading Ashtragan. So you have to recite our Ashtragan and upload the video. How to do, I will present you here now. So this activity contains some steps. So in step one, you have to go to the website that I have already told you. You have to type rashtragan.in, or you can also go to the description. I will send the link. Then you can click on the link. Also, after clicking on the link, you will find such an interface. Here, as the nation celebrates Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, let us sing the national anthem. Here, three steps are here. Step one, enter your details. You have to enter your details. And step two, stand and record your video. You have to stand and record your video. And in step three, you will upload your video. How you will do, I will show you. So here you can select the language. Here it's English, so it's okay. It's the language in which you will find the letters. It is not the language that you will recite the Rashtragan. It is the language in which the website, the letters in the website will be shown. So you have to only keep it as default English. Now you have to click on proceed. After clicking on proceed, you will come to step 2, and in step 2 what you have to do? In step 2, you have to enter your details of, I have entered my full name. You will enter your full name and you should select your age group. As I have selected, my age group is from 18 to 30. So you will select your age group as per your age. If you are under 18, then you will select under 18. Then country, by default it's India. And state, you have to select your state. If you are outside of Odisha, you will select your state. Otherwise, you will select Odisha. Then you will click on let's sing. Let us sing. After that, you will find such an interface. So that will be your step 3. In step 3, you will find such an interface. Here what you have to do, you have to, you have to on your video. Your video automatically will be on. Then you have to adjust your video, means your body inside the cursor. You can see here, a cursor is here, a person's cursor is here. You have to adjust your body inside the cursor. Okay, I will show you here how to adjust. Yes, you can now see here I have adjusted my body inside the cursor. After that, you have to scroll down and then you will find three options are there: record, upload, and restart. So you have to click on record and you will reset the Rastragan. After your record get finished, you will click on upload. If you found that your video is not okay, you want to reset once again, then you can also click on restart and you can recite again and you can click on upload. Okay, so this is all about the activity what you have to do. Now we will go to the website. I will show you how to do this, how to do that activity. Okay, now we will go to the website. So here you have to type rastragan.in. I will send the link. You will click on the link. In the description you will find the link. rshtragan.in. So as per I have already told you, you will find this interface. Yes, then you will click here proceed. You will click here proceed. No need to change the language. It by default it will be in English. So you will click on proceed. After that you will find such an interface. I have already told you. Here you have to type your name and you select your age group. Then your country by default it will be India. You have to select your state. If you are outside of Odisha, then you will select your state. Otherwise, you have to select Odisha. After that, you will click on Let's Sing. Okay. Then, as I have told you, you will find such an cursor. You have to stand off and adjust your body inside the cursor as I am doing so. So you will adjust your body. After adjusting, you will scroll down and there you will find three options are there. One is record, upload and restart. So you will click on record, then you will reset the rastragan. After that you will click on upload. If you found that your video is not okay, not suitable to upload, if you want to restart, I mean to say if you want to record your video once again, then you can click on restart and you will record your video once again, then you will click on upload. So this is all about the activity what you have to do. Remember you have to complete this activity by 14th of August this year. So you have to finish this activity by 14th of August and upload on this website. Okay, so thank you all.